They say, lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the bricks. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if it's your first time here. Today I felt like just being super creative. I finally feel inspired and colorful, and this look is completely inspired by a Instagram makeup artist slash like face chart artist. He's really cool. His name is Milk something. It's like Milk with a bunch of numbers, and I'll leave his Instagram on the screen here along with the face chart that I will be recreating today. So yeah, I felt really inspired when I saw this face chart to, you know, really carve out my face, really go in with colors and just look like a piece of art. That's what I like the most about this face chart, is that it just looked more like art than makeup, and it really inspired me. Like, oh my god, this is so cool. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this, it's really easy. Yeah, I just need a bunch of colorful eyeshadows. You want to see how to do this look? Just keep watching. All right, so I'm starting out with a completely fresh washed face. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. I've noticed that even if because I used to say, oh, primers don't do anything, but at the very least, primers is a way for me to separate, you know, with a layer of all the makeup that I wear and my pores. So I appreciate that, I guess, you know, I can get into that. And I just realized I just put my primer on, and then I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna have to put primer on again. So let's go ahead and prime my lids then. Sorry about that. I'm taking the lightest shade in my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in Deep. I'm gonna take the lightest shade to prime my lids, because obviously I'm doing lots of color, you know. I wanna be nice and vibrant. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the fun stuff, which is of course diving right into the color. So I'm gonna be going into my Morphe 35 Speed palette, which is, I can tell, very quickly gonna become my favorite palette ever. And I'm gonna start with purple and blue. Purple really like a deep in like my inner corner and my crease, and then moving into the blue. That's gonna be like right here on like the side of my nose. I've been like really uninspired, and then all of a sudden I just got like that burst of inspiration that I needed. And so now I have like all these crazy, colorful, like exciting looks I want to film, and I'm so excited about it because like I really needed to be re-inspired. I don't know what was going on with me. Like, I wasn't like sad or like feeling down or anything, or like dealing with any like feelings of depression or anything. I just was feeling super like uninspired, and then boom, hit me. You guys want to hear something really funny? So my biggest videos on my channel are my storytime videos. My storytime videos will get like 100K plus views. So let me tell you a little story, because my subscriber base seems to enjoy that the most for some reason. So I am an optician full-time. I work at a eye doctor's office, you know, whatever. And that was my full-time job. Now, so my coworker was going to get some lunch for us, and I got my wallet to give him my card so that, you know, he could pay for my food. And, you know, I give him my card, but I leave my wallet sitting at my desk because I'm stupid. So, oh my God, you guys wanna know something? I realized I'm so used to doing the same thing on each eye that I just put purple all in his eyes. So hold on. Okay, fix my mistake and I'm back. But yeah, my coworker leaves with my card, and like an idiot, I leave my card at my desk. And yeah, I walk away from my desk, and then a few, you know, maybe about an hour after my coworker has left to get our food, I get 2 random Cash App notifications. My Cash App was not connected to my bank account. I canceled my Cash App now. But yeah, my Cash App was not connected to my bank account. But it says somebody had my Cash App card was in my wallet, but I have yet to put 2 and 2 together. They're like, yeah, I got 2 attempted payments that were declined because I didn't have enough money on my Cash App. So I'm like, weird, whatever, right? Also, don't mind the dry spots on my face. My primer does that. Like, I'm human, okay? Don't mind my dry spots. But yeah, it says someone, you know, was attempting to use my Cash App, and I'm so like oblivious. I don't want to call myself dumb, but it was dumb. I'm like, that's so weird. Like, who has my Cash App information, and how could they even attempt to make a payment? Blah blah blah. So I just immediately deactivate my Cash App account and go on about my day. It is not until after I get home and I go to the beauty supply store with my mother, and I go to pay for something, and I realize my bank card is in my wallet because my coworker had given it back to me, and I just threw it. I'm sorry, not in my wallet. My bank card is in my purse. I just threw it back in my purse when my coworker gave it to me, but my wallet is not there. So I start looking for my wallet. I'm freaking out. I call back work, and I'm like, hey, you guys see my wallet? They're all like, nah, your wallet's not here. That's when it hit me. Somebody stole my wallet. Now, this was about 2 or 3 days ago. Today is Thursday, and it's my day off. And one of my coworkers called me, and they go, someone just dropped off your ID. What? So just to, you know, clarify, I have 2 forms of ID, right? And one of them was in the wallet, one of them was not. I didn't have anything else important in my wallet, and like I said, I had my bank card. So the person just got away with a $300 wallet, and that's it. You know, like they didn't get away with any money. They just got away with my wallet because I didn't have my social in it. I only had 1 form of ID. My other form of ID was home. I had my social home. So, you know, I wasn't even mad. I was actually grateful that I didn't have anything more important in my wallet. I couldn't have even been mad. So, yeah, whoever stole my wallet came back to my job today and dropped off my other form of ID. Honey, how about you drop off the freaking $300 wallet you stole, thief? And like, I wish I would have been there. But like, I've had a lot of personal growth recently. God knows what situations to put you in and what situations not to put you in. Because I would have lost my mind if somebody came in there with my ID. I would have been like, where my wallet at? Where my wallet at, homie? So, you know, it's a good thing I wasn't there for that. Thanks, I guess. You know? Thanks for my ID back. And I hope you enjoy my wallet. Try selling it, you know? It's worth a lot of money. Try selling it.
700, 3 5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them never put that shit behind us, but I
Bitch, come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, trigger, get the loot. Pull up with that trick, I'm round with brick and I'ma shoot. My weapon be an instrument, I blow you like a flute. Nigga, place we feelin'. Pull up broad day with the canine chillin'. Drop a nigga like a littering. We at the door like we the delivering. He got a plug, you middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like silver rocks.
I didn't do foundation first because I didn't know like how the colors would work on top of foundation on my nose. But as you can see, the rest of my face is like pretty bare. Not pretty bare, it is bare. I only have the color like on my eyes and coming down to my nose. And I'm also gonna have them like on my filter and my lip. But now we can go ahead and move on to foundation. Foundation, I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect. And this foundation like keeps me snatched. Like I keep coming back to this foundation because it snatches my edges hard every time. So we going, you know, go ahead and let her do what she's good at. snatch me.
Please understand. Please understand.
Alright, so now for the face, I'm gonna really snatch my face with the contour. I'm gonna be taking the Fit Me Concealer in 35 Deep and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Deep to highlight and contour my face. With the rainbows on the lips and the filtrum, and then the highlight of the look, no pun intended, the highlighter. All right, so before I put the shadow on my lips, I'm gonna take the NYX matte lipstick in Minx. It's just a super pale brownie nude. I love it. Now for highlight, I'm gonna take highlight in my filtrum and like the top of my lip, on the tip of my nose, and my inner eye corners. I'm taking my glow kit in the collection Ultimate Glow, and I'm gonna go in. Oh yeah, I always forget I did that. Every time I open it, I get shocked, and it's like, why am I so surprised? I think I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go into Snow and White Sand. I know you're like, how are you even gonna get in the snow? I'm just wipe off, you know, the mess on top of it. Just get, I got this. Trying to get this white highlighter on top of the purple eyeshadow is difficult. And instead of mixing the two highlighters, I think I'm gonna stick with just Snow because it looks like so like three-dimensional and art-like when I highlight with just the white, and I don't want to take away that element. All right, now the final touch, I'm gonna put on lashes off camera and we'll be finished.
We'll never be those kids again. We tried to six, had the X6 back then. Back then, no matter what I did, my ways wouldn't do back then.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun being creative and creating / recreating this look with the L-E-W-K, not 2 O's. That's literally so 2017. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, then leave me a like and a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and hopefully I'll see you in a future video. Bye.
Started